Hello, I'm Zach and I'm an assembly technician here at Muscle Car Restorations. On the dyno today we have a 1968 Dodge Coronet with a 440 engine that's been bored out to 512 cubic inches. It's fueled by a Holley 870 Street Avenger carburetor, and behind it is a 727 Torque Flight automatic transmission. Well, we got our dyno results and we measured 415 horsepower and 411 foot-pounds of torque. We didn't push it too hard, but still got some great numbers considering the constraints of the full exhaust and the automatic transmission. This will be a fun car on the road and we're excited to get it finished. Thanks for watching.